Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable AI prompts on Opera GX. Now if you want to enable or disable AI prompts, it's quite simple. You see, Opera GX has an AI called Area. That is its own AI engine. So if you want to enable the prompt or you want to disable it, from the home menu, click on the Opera GX icon at the top left corner actually. Scroll all the way down to settings and click on settings. So you can simply use the keyboard shortcut, alternate plus P. So once you're here, click on privacy and security, scroll all the way down until you see advanced, click on advanced, scroll all the way down until you see AI services and you can see area in the sidebar, make sure it's enabled, and you can see AI prompts in text. So to enable it, if you want to disable it, just simply turn it off here. It's as simple as that. Now if you turn it on, what it does is that when you highlight text on a web page, a pop-up displays AI prompts relevant to the highlighted text. So this feature is enabled by default after you sign up to Area. If you want to know how to enable Area, which is the AI services, check out a video on how to add Area to sidebar. So the next thing you're going to do is, if you want to turn it off and turn it off, it means that it will not be enabled, and when you highlight it on the web page, a pop-up will not appear. So no AI prompt. It's as simple as that. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video.